Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi 326 Express. I am a lady and 39 years. I was raised up by my stepmother after my mom left me with my dad. I grew knowing my dad's family only, so my father na mama had 2 children of their own. I was married, but unfortunately my husband and child died in a car crash and I fell into depression, which is why and how I left for the UK. I left my house in a maintenance and Mama was taking care of the rentals. Sometimes she would send the money to me and I would tell her to keep some for herself, and on other instances I would allow her to run my errands and sometimes tell her to keep the money to herself. And because I had found a better job, I told her to keep the money to herself for certain months. So for some months before I came back, I wasn't receiving my rentals, which wasn't a problem. I worked, but I realized I was still depressed, lonely, and I decided to come back home. I got here in Zimbabwe, went kumba kwa mama. Vedare, I came back to find my stepsister Kugara Pamba Pangu with her 3 children from 3 different men. I have been staying na mama for over a month now. I asked her to tell my stepsister to move out, but she would just say, kana uchida kungogara kumba kwako enda unogara ni sister yako. I can't do that because I want my privacy and my own space and I want my house, but I also don't want to stir trouble with na mama. I do not want to cause a strain on mama. So I continue asking mama to tell my stepsister to move out, but mama avasikuteerera. Ndoitawo sei Vedare kuti ndibatsirike. Iyo ihot topic yethu yanamhlanje.
Courtesy of Inbugs, the future of money is our sponsor for today. So, you let us know what you think this lady can do. But this person is the stepsister, confirmed.
Yes. Yes, stepsister.
Cause stepsister oyadu gara na mai. Ngadzoka gara na mai aimbo gara kopi before. Because also you really can't force munu nekuti hana murume neMwana.
And I'm also assuming to Torina information because she was in the UK when all this was happening, and it's not like she was informed also kuti kumba kusisina maintenance kwani stepsister.
Stepsister or half sister? What's the relationship? Mwana uyu mwana wa baba wake chaye. Kana kuti mwana wa amai ava amai vakamurera.
Mwana wa stepmother na baba wake, I think.
So that's half sister. That's sister. Okay. Anzana no derena. Someone says it happened to me as well. You come through, you let us know what you can do. Yo? Okay. Sell the house and buy elsewhere. Looks like it's a lot on our WhatsApp. Most of those responses. I'm going to come to you, Saki. Hi, you're live on Star FM.
Hi, Masquera say.
Masquera say.
Tasquera. I think it's unfair what Mama did. Kuti wakangoisa the stepsister uyu asipa.
4 months.
4 months because kananga ine problem inino say sister ndaifana kungoudzwa. And then I'm in the loop and then I make a decision. Very informed. Losing a husband and a child is not a way forward. Kuti
muwe munhu nemhuri yake.
Just because it also causes more stress on her. Kuti ainda tadei. Anogona kuda kugara some of the rooms and rent out some of the rooms. Munhu anofana what they want to do with their house. So what I think is what she needs to do. Kana mama arikuramba ngaendonogara pasi nesister yake omudza I tried engaging mama ndakasvikawo wapo. I tried engaging mama. It's unfortunate I was never told. Pamwe mama vanambotaura chokwadi kuti uyu handina kumuudza. Pamwe vakatoti ndataura naye Tsinda. You never know. Saka anofanira kunoti mama never told me about this. However, maybe ndakukupawo 3 months utsvage pekugara kana kuti wodzokera kuna mama. I don't know. Inini imba ndiri kuida some of the rooms I want to rent them out. Ndiri kudawo mari. Something like that. Handifungoti sister changabhatadze kunzwisisa ini. mama wacho vakarambawo vachiita nharo, she can always maybe sit down kana nehanzvadzi dzavo kana waomawo musoro hamheno imba ndeyake
anoita zvaanoita
otenga imwe kungazitani because kana zvaakutonetsa zvaakumupa pressure apa munhu agara atori depressed kare. Saka I think in the first place mama was not fair, but since vari kutora masaizi ngaanogara pasi nesister yake omuonesa kuti ndakukupawo maybe 3 months wotsvagawo pamwe pekugara kana uda kudzokera kuna mama hamheni.
Tinotenda. Thank you so much. Sanki, what do you think?
Well, I think at some point she'll just have to make a decision, a hard decision. Kana ari kuda imba yake, she'll have to take the legal route.
Because I was listening to the hot topic, and she was saying, no, I also don't wanna.
She's honoring mama.
That's
the
mostly
thing. Yes, and that's the reason why she's still. I don't think also kuti, because from the sounds of it, I don't think any relationship near the sister. But na mama, she does.
Did she highlight that she ever spoke to the sister?
No.
No. Okay. Hi, you're live on Star FM.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. Munoiona senyai.
Hi, inini ndinongoti vanhu vakaziva kuti hausi muroyo vanokudherera.
Amunyepi. Amutombonyepi.
Uko ndo kunonzi kudhererana chaiko chaiko. Vari kuda kuti arambe ari mumba imomo kuti zvizoita sei?
Hanzi ane vana, hanzi haana kwekuenda.
Aiwa.
Hanzi ndaunogara naye iwewe.
Handi mai vacho kana waini vari kurwadziwa kana wototi mwoyo wekubereka. Wachitooneka iye wogara naye. Uyu wava nepisi yake. Handizvo here.
Ndizvozvo, but they are not doing that. What do you suggest that she does then? Because I was kuita izvozvo.
I think vanhu hava kutongoda the legal way. Ndo the only way yekutongoti zviite.
Hazvistraine marelations here.
Zvinenge zvaramba kani kutaurana nemuromo. But the legal way is the only way.
Okay. Thank you so much. Someone says, I think this lady should find a husband. He'll keep her busy and then maybe she might forget her depression. The depression is not the